The Owen James Report is brought to you by
Guardian Group Life Insurance Policies. Live secure, live easy. Of course, we all hope that our loved ones will always be safe. But just hoping won't protect your family. Which is why Guardian Group Life Insurance Policies are designed to take care of your family if anything should happen to you. So you can all feel a little more secure. Live secure, live easy.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Following the decision by the Organization of Oil Exporting Countries, or OPEC, not to cut oil production to stimulate prices, the implications for non-oil producers like Jamaica are positive, as oil prices are trending lower than $70 a barrel. Analysts at VM Wealth, for example, say the implications are significant given the high cost of energy for sectors such as manufacturing and distribution. Distribution companies, for example, spend heavily on fuels for vehicles and should benefit from any fall in global oil prices. VM Wealth says listed companies in these sectors could be good investments if the trend holds. Now here's what happened on the international scene as OPEC decided against cutting oil supplies despite huge global oversupply of oil. Europe's Brent crude oil plunged as much as $6.50 a barrel, and US crude dropped by nearly as much, posting their steepest one-day falls since 2011. Oil prices have fallen by more than a third since June, as increasing production in North America from shale oil has overwhelmed demand at a time of sluggish global economic growth. Crude prices have been falling all week as traders and analysts scaled back expectations of an OPEC production cut, but the sharp dive after today's meeting showed the decision was not fully priced in. Benchmark Brent futures were down $5.20 a barrel at $72.55 a barrel by 1800 hours GMT after hitting a four-year low of $71.25 earlier in the session. The contract was on track for its biggest monthly fall since 2008. U.S. crude was at $69.01, down $4.68. U.S. crude traded as low as $67.75 a barrel earlier today, its lowest price since May of 2010. News on the Jamaican stock market now, where a 1.25% fall by heavily traded blue chip NCB, which accounted for almost two-thirds of trading, triggered losses in the indices today. The main JC index fell by 138 points, or a fifth of 1%. Market volume amounted to almost 9 million shares, and NCB accounted for over 57% of trading. Winners included cargo handlers, JMMB, Jamaica producers, Lasco distributors, the preference stock proven up 14%, the Sagicor Group Jamaica, and Scotia Investments. The losers included DNG down 1.4%, Jamaica Broilers, NCB, and Scotia Group. On the foreign exchange market, the big news is that the benchmark American dollar strengthened by 4 Jamaican cents to close at a new record high average selling rate of $113.53. The British pound sterling also strengthened against a local currency, gaining 33 cents Jamaican to close at $178.54. However, the Canadian dollar weakened by 21 Jamaican cents to close at $100.23. The commercial banks and other licensed financial firms bought a total of $23.6 million and sold $20.1 million, or 15% less than what they bought. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report is brought to you by
Guardian Group Life Insurance Policies. Live secure, live easy.